If you can feel it, it's getting hotter. Just like the sun, the way we conjure. I'm a giant with a trident on a lion who can frighten many titans in the climate that you're climbing. I'm the Naga with the horde, triple I, deep in lore. Niggas fly like Gryffindor, my keys that open doors.
That's the global logo right there. Yeah, right when I got into embroidery, Odin was like probably one of the first things I put into some garments. You know, start experimenting with some of their sigils, their runes. That's what they call them, the runes. I even got some runes in my hair. Runes, you know the runes out of Norse mythology. I ordered some hair pieces, like a little jewels to put in my hair. So I got runes. I just put little runes in my hair. Yeah, because it's like our company was dealing with Norse energy, just straight up. Yeah. All father energy. You know, the god of wisdom. They say he's like one of the most psychic entities within the Norse mythos. Yeah, him sacrificing his one eye for wisdom. You know, we know about that one eye. You know, got these three eyes, third eyes and whatnot. What? Which
to be the one eye one.
He even hung himself. A lot of people don't know that the act of hanging comes from Germanic traditions, following after Odin. But Odin supposedly hung himself on a tree, and that's how he got the rune alphabet. I think it was the rune alphabet. But you know, we done bastardized hanging. You know, America knows about hanging. Is, you know, strange fruit, Germanic traditions, which also you can see in American Gods. Have y'all seen American Gods?
Yeah, when they strung up old Buffalo Boy.
Yeah. Buffalo Boy. Was it Moon? Moon Shadow. Yes. Shadow Moon. There you go. You got to say backwards, forwards. Well, there's
taking its place on the tree.
Yeah. In fact, there's an image up in here that shows the man part of the tree. You know, and this is actually sort of what this lecture is for: is learning that you are the tree. You know, even though I would suggest reading the rest of the book of American Gods.
Wait. There's a web series?
Yeah, that's where it comes from. And they just left us on a cliffhanger. That's what they did. But there's an audio book. Even in Bagua, you are the tree. They go into the as above, so below, which let's we're gonna go into like the Kabbalah. The Kabbalah later, but the Kabbalion, which with the 7 laws. Yeah, symbology of the tree of life. You know, an exploration of the various meanings and interpretations of the tree of life symbol throughout history. Yeah, so you know, even these newer cartoons have been picking up on it. Origins, folklore, culture, and fiction often feature different trees of life that relate to themes of fertility and immortality. These trees originated from religious symbolism and have been represented in ancient iconography. A common image found in these depictions featured 2 symmetrical features facing each other with a tree standing in the